By here because I thief is Ajepkako.
You stole them from a resident property.
Hey, my people don't settle. Wahala, it be like waiting again. Breaking news, Isioluk don send somebody may go thief AC for Lekki. I go put this video more than the listing. This one na Isioluk work. Una know say ex-wife talk say na the work wey they do. Ojiobashewu na e be. As una dey see this boy so 18 AC na e thief for Lekki. No be say no dey work o, na work e dey do for there o. Na security na im dey do for the Lekki this thing for resident for there. So this boy just gather mind. He can't gather na washa. He can't fit thief 18 AC comot for house. Go put am for go hide them. He wan go sell them. Now they can't catch am. Now they can't dey confess so. As Isioluk take send am make go thief this AC. He said if you wan sell am 1.8 million, my people. No be small thing o. If you tell them now make them go work, they no dey work. See now 18 wey be say people use their money to buy put for there and they pay am. No be say they no dey pay this small no be say they no dey pay am. Na say their eye go dey other people things. Why later now people come say work no dey. How person go give this one work make come work? Na work you dey do, you go dey thief who go come carry this one again now? Who go come give am work? He say as he just collect all of them, gather and wan sell am for Hausama 18. Now so they pack them one by one for each house wey be say they think say na better person and they put for there wey make they guide their house. Instead of him to the guide make thief no come, na him come be the thief wey be say he dey there where they help them, they remove the AC one by one. Can you imagine? Why all this? Na Tinubu still cause this one. They no wan work, they no wan do anything. All the wetin they just want na people things, people money, people waiting, people don't buy keep wait. No na wetin be all this? My people, I'll put this video more than here. The way we see Isioluk take send now, Odafewidon take send now, may go thief this 18 AC because they want they need urgent money wey wan kpai their head. Go dey work, you dey work, then they pay you. Why another where they say me for the way for the work now then you come dey thief? Why you dey thief for there? Why you go thief for there? No be say you know they receive money or they give you money. They give you money. That one no reach. Girl, no sioji. Now be all this one now. Open eye. My brothers and sisters, may I put this video more than watch? Help me to love and like and share this video. Now make me another pity for some of all these people. For real, when they give una work more than they do, now they do. Now thief now I they like Isioluk. Now bye bye my people.
Good evening, Lekki residents, and I have an interesting news for you. My name is Alfred Dilichuku, and right before me is Mr. What's your name, sir? Destiny Ndubisi Chukuma. And what do you do? What work do you do? You are a security guard attached to a property in Lekki. Okay, what are these air conditioners behind you? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, about 20. How many in number? 18 in number.
I think they see 18.
18. What are they here for?
By here because I thief is Ajepkako.
You stole them from a resident property. And